Hello, welcome back. GATE Degree College e-Gyan classes for first year degree students. Uh, we are discussing about tenses. So in my previous class, so I discussed with you about three tenses: simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense. Right? I have discussed three tenses, and now let me discuss with you about the fourth tense called present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense. Right. So we can make this present perfect continuous tense with the formula of subject plus have or has been plus V1 inform plus object. So this can we can frame sentences in the tense of present perfect continuous tense, right? So we use this present perfect continuous tense that an action which is started in the past and still progress in the present, right? So we use this tense to say that an action started in the past and still it is continuing. So for that purpose, we use this present perfect continuous tense. అంటే ఈ present perfect continuous tense ని మనం ఏదైనా ఒక పని గత కాలంలో అంటే ఇంతకు మునిపే ప్రారంభమైంది, ఇప్పుడు కూడా ఆ పని కంటిన్యూస్ గా జరుగుతూ ఉన్నట్లయితే సో ఆ ఉద్దేశం చెప్పడం కోసమని ఈ ప్రెసెంట్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ కంటిన్యూస్ టెన్స్ ని వాడుతూ ఉన్నాం. అందుకోసమని సో వి యూజ్ దిస్, సో వీ కెన్ మేక్ దిస్ టెన్స్ విత్ సబ్జెక్ట్ హ్యావ్ ఆర్ హ్యాస్ బీన్ V1 plus V1 inform plus object. Of course you know that we use has, so for the persons like he, she, it, or any name, right? And have, I, we, you, they. So ఈ పర్సన్స్ మనం has అని have అని ఉపయోగిస్తాం. So this should be remembered. So while we are writing or we are framing sentences in this tense, right? So and we usually use some adverbs or clue word in this tense is like since, for, right? These are the two adverbs or clue words which we use under this tense, right? Since and for ను ఉపయోగిస్తాం, right? So we use since for starting of time, starting or beginning of time, beginning of time. We use for, so quantity of time, right? Quantity of time. దీన్ని మనం ఏమంటామంటే పీరియడ్ ఆఫ్ టైం అని కూడా అంటాం. We also say this as period of time. దీన్ని మనం this is also called exact point of time. Exact point of time. So mostly we use two adverbs or two clue words in this present perfect continuous tense. They are since and for. We use since for a starting or beginning of time or exact point of time, and for is quantity of time or period of time. So these are the two reasons. So at the two occasions we use under this tense. Let's see some examples. So in this tense, by using she has been waiting here for 2 hours, right? She has been waiting here for 2 hours, which means, so she came to here, so before some time, and she is still waiting here, which means the waiting of her work started past and still continuing in the present. So దీన్నే మనము సిన్స్ పెట్టేట రైట్స్ అంటే సో ఇక్కడ సిన్స్ 5 o'clock. సో ఈ ఎగ్జాక్ట్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ టైం చెప్పాలంటే సిన్స్ చెప్పొచ్చు. సో షీ హ్యాస్ బీన్ వెయిటింగ్ హియర్ సిన్స్ 5 o'clock అని చెప్పొచ్చు, రైట్? అట్ ద సేమ్ టైం they have, because there was second have right, so they have been living here for 10 years. So they have been living here for 10 years, right? And since చెప్పాలంటే since 2010, బికాస్ మనకి ఇక్కడ ఖచ్చితమైన టైం చెప్పాలంటే లేకుంటే ఆ పని ఎప్పుడు కరెక్ట్గా స్టార్ట్ అయ్యింది, ఇక్కడ స్టార్టింగ్ ఆర్ బిగినింగ్ ఆఫ్ ది యాక్షన్ చెప్పాలంటే సిన్స్ 2000, లేదు లంప్ సమ్ ఆఫ్ టైం చెప్పాలంటే పీరియడ్ ఆఫ్ టైం చెప్పాలంటే ఫార్ అన్నమాట. దట్స్ వై సో దే హ్యావ్ బీన్ లివింగ్ హియర్ ఫర్ 10 years ఆర్ దే హ్యావ్ బీన్ లివింగ్ హియర్ సో సిన్స్ 2010, లైక్ దట్. సో so here we can see, let's see one more example. So we start from a question. If you want to ask questions in this tense, we use how long. How long is also one of the clue word additionally for this tense or adverb for this tense. How long? Say for example, how long have you been living here అని చెప్పొచ్చు. or of how long, సపోజ్ ఇక్కడ she వచ్చిందంటే ఇక్కడ ఏమొస్తుంది has, right? How long has she been living here? So we use how long is also one of the clue word or adverb in this tense to say questions, right? So this is about simply present perfect continuous tense, right? So let's jump into another tense. So since we completed 4 tenses in the present, under present tense main tense: simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense, right? That's all about present tense. And let's see about the past tense. So the first tense, past tense is, which means number 5, simple past tense, right? Simple past tense, right? Simple past tense, we can make this simple past tense with a structure of subject plus V2 plus object, right? We can make the simple past tense with the structure of subject. V2 means verb 2, second form of verb. Say for example, ring, rang, rung. Right, ring, rang, rung. So rang is the verb form, verb second form. Right. So let's see. We use this simple past tense simply to say that the purpose of completed actions in the past, right? We use this simple past tense to say, simply to say completed actions in the past tense. అంటే ఈ సింపుల్ పాస్ట్ టెన్స్ మనం గతించిన కాలంలో ఏవైతే పనులు జరిగిపోయింటాయో వాటిని గురించి చెప్పుకోవడం కోసమే ఈ సింపుల్ పాస్ట్ టెన్స్ ని వాడతాం, రైట్? ఈ కాలంలో కాదు, గత కాలంలో ఉంది. సో దట్ లెట్స్ సీ. I completed my degree. I finished my degree in, right, 1997, like that. Which, so 1997 is the past year. I was completed in the year of 1997. That's why. So I finished or I completed my degree. So here ఒక పని నేను ఎప్పుడో చేసేస్తాను చెప్పడం కోసం, రైట్? సో అలాగే she came here last week or last Sunday. She came here last week or last Sunday. అంటే ఆమె ఇక్కడికి పోయిన వారం వచ్చింది, లేక ఇంతకు మునుపు వచ్చింది. అంటే ఇక్కడ she came here అంటే వచ్చింది, ఇంతకు మునుపు వచ్చింది, which means, so this is the past action, right? And they joined in the company. They joined in the company 2 years ago, right? They joined in the company 2 years ago. అంటే 2 సంవత్సరాల క్రితమే చేరారు. So which is also mean, so the joined already, which means in the past time, right? So let's see some of the clue words or adverbs which are used in the simple past tense. So adverbs are clue words, right? Ago, last week or last month or last year, right? Or in tarvata, so in 1947 or whatever, so past year, right? So ఇలాంటి కొన్ని క్లూ వర్డ్స్ ఆర్ అడ్వర్బ్స్ కూడా మనం ఇక్కడ ఈ టెన్స్ లో యూజ్ చేస్తాం, రైట్? సో దిస్ ఇస్ అబౌట్ simple past tense, right? So we will discuss the next tenses in next classes. Thank you.